Guys, it's Heather Madison with Remax Partners in Columbus. I would like for you to come on in and see the before pictures of this house. Come on in. This is an adorable 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. Now you've seen the front room, come into the kitchen. There's a small breakfast nook area. This house is going to be adorable. Plenty of cabinet space, but we're going to change a few things up. We can't wait for you to see the changes. This cabinet here is not attached to the wall, so we've decided to take it down to the laundry room and storage room downstairs so we have a little more space. Here we are in the den. It's painted like a dark chocolate brown, but we're going to try to lighten this up a little bit and maybe paint a different color on the trim, wash the light fixture, and maybe change up some curtains. Just a few inexpensive changes that are going to make a world of difference in this room. And this is a nice sunroom that is going to be a great space for the summer, for the spring, and we just want to spruce it up a little bit. Hey guys, it's Heather Madison here. Welcome to 52 Azalea Trail. We want to show you the after photos. Come on in. We had some awesome people come by and put a more neutral paint on the walls. And we just added a dining room table and chairs here. We thought it would be really pretty by the picture window. And come on in the kitchen. So come into the kitchen area. We removed the shelves from the wall, and now there's a plenty of room for a little breakfast nook. So here we removed the shelf and painted the wall all the way through to the den area. It left us a much larger open area with a good view of the breakfast nook and into the den. We have added gray paint to the walls and a painting there and just an inexpensive couch. Just to kind of give you an idea of making this a den area. The rug is just a simple drop cloth that was probably $10 or $11, and it's just been painted with just any kind of leftover household paint with a little taped off so with the different colors in there. And so just a cute little coffee table and then just a little box there. So just to kind of give you an idea of how easy it is to make a room transform without completely remodeling. Just added a few little things to the shelves. Super quick, this is just the garden area, the sunroom area. Just a little table and chairs out there. Just sit out there and have your morning coffee. Just a nice little area. Beautiful out there. Everything's all greened up for summer. So this is one of the upstairs bedrooms. We've not done a lot of stuff in here, but they did paint and we removed the shelves from the corner. And just a coat of fresh paint has made all the difference. And this cute little chalkboard was here already. Lots of fun for the kids. I just want to let you know that we really enjoyed doing this project, helping out this military family. We had people like Jeff Shepard come in and help with some paints. And we also had David Phelps come in and he donated some paint and caulk, and it was really just a great project to help out this family. But I also enjoyed getting to bring some tables and chairs in and fix things up a little bit, just to show you that you don't have to spend a lot of money just to make things look nicer. You can take things like a drop cloth and paint it and fix it to make a room look good. There's all kinds of inexpensive ways to make things look better, so you don't have to remodel the whole house in order to live there. And we just want you to be happy and satisfied and make it your home. So thanks again from Heather Madison at Remax Partners in Columbus, Mississippi.